Hi everyone and welcome back. Let's see the next question, which is a triangles construction problem. This question has been asked in the examination of CBSE last year, and this has been asked under 5 marks, and it's a very simple question. The main thing in this particular question is understanding the question. Once you understand the question, the proof is very simple. Okay, now let's see what is given in the question. The question says in triangle ABC, if AD is perpendicular to BC and AD square is equal to B into D, then prove that angle BAC is equal to 90 degree or angle A is equal to 90 degree. We need to prove. Okay. For this, first draw the triangle. Triangle ABC. Okay. This is ABC. And AD is perpendicular to BC. This is a perpendicular and we'll mark it as D. Now what he says is, in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. Now since we dropped the perpendicular, the triangle has become as two triangles. One is ABC, one is ABD, and other one is triangle ADC. Okay, and also they have angle D is equal to angle D, which is equal to 90 degrees. The next important information which is given in the question is this one. This says AD square is equal to BD into DC. If we rearrange and write this, then we can write BD by AD is equal to AD by DC. Now what this one says? This says ratio of two sides are proportional. So here we have one side which is proportional, other side which is proportional, and an angle which is similar in two triangles. Therefore we can say by SAS, because angle A is in between both the sides, by SAS criteria, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CAD. Now one important point which you have to note is the order in which I wrote ABD. ABD is okay. Order in which I wrote CAD. This order of CAD is not random. It is taken from this, because ratios, you cannot write ratios of any triangle whatever you feel like. From the given information or from the position of the triangle, we have to write the ratios, because what this means is these two triangles, they are not mirror image, because one triangle would look like this. This will be A, B, D, and the other triangle will be looking like this, with naming as C, A, D. And this order is basically obtained from this information, which is given here. So don't write whatever you feel like. The ratios has to be written properly as per the given information. Once this is done, now we need to prove angle A is equal to 90 degrees. How we will prove? If you take angle B is equal to X here, and here angle A will be equal to X. And if you take angle A is equal to Y here, and here angle C will be equal to Y here. Therefore we can write in triangle ABD, angle A plus angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. A is Y, B is X, and D is 90 degrees equal to 180 degrees. By this we can write X plus Y is equal to 90 degrees. We will name this as equation 1. After this, we need to prove angle A is equal to, that is angle BAC is equal to 90 degrees. How we will prove? We can prove using these values here. Here if you see in this particular triangle, in triangle ABD, angle A is Y. Okay, so we'll write this as y. This one as y. And in triangle CAD, angle A is x. Okay, so we'll write this as x. So what we get is y plus x is equal to angle A or angle BAC. And we already proved what is y plus x is 90 degree. Therefore, we can write this as 90 degree is equal to angle BAC, and hence proved. Isn't it very simple? Because the main thing is you need to understand what is given. From the given information, in the given information only you have ratio of two sides which are proportional and also one angle which is 90 degree each. From that we can get SAS criteria. Once you prove two triangles are similar, then you need to substitute the values for A in both the triangles, then we can get the answer. Hope you understood the working of this problem. In case of any other problem for which you are not able to find a solution, please let me know in your comments. I will be very happy to reply. Okay, thank you so much and see you in the next video.